Hello friends, welcome to TechCraft. I am Ashish Gupta and today I am here to show you how to install any custom ROM or any stock ROM on any of the Xiaomi devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as a step 1, you need to have a Xiaomi device with you. Right now I'm having this Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. I need to go to the settings. I'll scroll down and I'll select MI account, and here I need to have an account with me to start with. If I don't have any Mi account created yet, I need to create one by tapping create an account. So I have an account already, so I'll log in with my account details. Let me log in. So as you can see, I'm now logged into my device, and now I can begin with my next steps. So guys, for the second step, we need to log on to www.miui.com/unlock. Once we log in, we'll get a screen like this. It'll ask us to click on the unlock now device. We'll click on that button and it'll ask us to enter the account details. These are the same details that we used to log into our device, so we need to enter the similar details over here. So after I log in, it'll ask me to apply for unlocking my device. So I again need to press unlock now. Now it's asking me to enter some details. It's asking me to enter my name, then it's asking to enter my mobile number. It's the same number that I have registered with MI account. I'll enter the same, and then this is the real thing. I need to enter a good reason that why do I need to unlock my device, because Xiaomi monitors this and they can reject your request if they find the reason to be inappropriate. So I would suggest you to write something like this: I need to move back to older MIUI version on my device as current version is not very much stable for me. So once you write this, you need to enter this verification code and can simply apply. Now it'll ask you to enter a verification message that you will receive on your mobile number that you have provided to Xiaomi. So once you get that code, you need to enter it over here. Let me enter it, and we'll say next. And now it says that your request has been submitted, please wait for the review. So after this request is submitted, normally Xiaomi takes 2 to 3 days to approve your request, but in some cases it can be approved immediately. So you will get an SMS stating that your request is approved or rejected. So once you get that SMS, you can move on to the next step. So guys, now I have received the SMS of the confirmation, and I'm back again to the same link, miui.com/unlock, and now I'll again try to unlock my device. So it's again asking me to log in. So let me log in with my details. So now I have a different interface. It's giving me some warnings that after a device is unlocked it becomes less secure, but let's ignore all these and move down to this button, download Mi Unlock. So this will give us an application that will be used to unlock your device, unlock the bootloader of your device. You just save it, and once it is downloaded, we can move ahead. So guys, I have this application downloaded and here it is in this folder. I need to open this me flash unlock.exe. I'll agree to it. It'll again ask me to enter my account details. I'll sign into my account. It's checking if my account has the permissions to unlock the bootloader. Now it has verified, but now there is a message that we are not connected to the phone. So what do we need to do? It is actually asking us to turn off the phone, hold power button down, and hold volume down button and power buttons, enter the bootloader. So how can we do that? Let's see. So friends, this is the device that I want to unlock. So to enter the fast boot mode, I need to first turn off my device. Let me turn it off. I'll power off my device, and once it's powered off, I need to press the volume down button and I need to press the power button at the same time. I need to hold them for a few seconds, then we'll feel a vibration, and then there you go, we are in the fast boot mode. So now I need to connect my device using a micro USB data cable that is provided with the device, the normal charger cable. I need to connect it to my PC, and now I am ready to start with the next step of unlocking the bootloader. So guys, now as you can see, I'm again in the Me Unlock app, and it's showing me that my device is connected and there's a button that I can use to unlock my device. So let me try to press it. It's giving some warnings. I don't really care. It's doing something. Device unlocked. So friends, now that my device is unlocked, I need to check if it is really unlocked or not. I need to go to first, I need to enable the developer options in my mobile. So for that, I need to press on the MIUI version multiple times, and then I need to go to additional settings, and there we'll get developer options. And now on here we'll see the Me Unlock status. It says the device is unlocked, so that means our device has been unlocked. While unlocking the device using the Me Unlock application, you might face some error that your device is not bound to this your account is not bound to the device, or your device is not bound to your account. So if you're facing some such sort of errors, you need to wait for a few days before you can try to unlock your device using the Me Unlock application, because Xiaomi servers does take some time to reflect your application status if it is approved. So this is actually a problem at Xiaomi's end, but this is how it works. So normally I would suggest you to wait for around 2 to 3 days before you try to unlock your device after you get your confirmation message from Xiaomi. So let's move ahead. Now that our device is unlocked, so we are ready to flash any custom ROM or any Xiaomi stock ROM. We can actually downgrade our mobile phone to any older version ROM from Xiaomi very easily. So let's see that. Thank you. So guys, once I'm done with unlocking my bootloader, I need to again boot up my device in the fast boot mode and connect it to my PC. Once I've done that, I need to download the TWRP recovery image. I have already provided the links in the description below, and there's another file, Lazy Flasher. So these two files you need to download, and then I'll place both of these files inside the Me Flash Unlock utility folder. Reason being because I need this fast boot utility to install the TWRP on my device. TWRP is nothing but a custom recovery that will allow me to flash any custom ROM, any third-party ROMs on my MIUI device. So I need to press Shift on my keyboard and right-click on the mouse. And if I'm Windows 10, I'll see Open PowerShell Windows here option. In any other Windows version, I'll see Open Command Prompt Windows here option. So once I'm here, I'll simply say fast boot devices, it's showing that my device is connected. So the next command is flash to recovery. What do I need to install? The recovery image. So I'm simply installing it. Okay, now my recovery is installed in my device. So how can we verify that if the recovery is actually installed? Let me show you. So guys, once I'm done installing the recovery, I need to boot into the TWRP. And how can I do that? I need to hold onto the volume up button and the power button, and it will keep on holding them until I'll hear a vibration. I feel a vibration, and this device will boot up again. And when I see me logo, I can let the buttons go, and then I should enter into the TWRP recovery. Alright, here I am. So friends, now I have copied all my required files onto the SD card and have inserted the card in the device, and here I am in the TWRP recovery once again. So the first step that I need to do is to wipe the device. I select wipe and wipe to factory reset. It says I'm successful. Next step is to install. Install first the lazy flasher. This is required for the system to boot correctly. Once I'll do that, I'll move back. Now this is the ROM lineage 14.1 that I'm installing right now. The link I've already mentioned in the description. You can go and download the file from there. You need to also download the Google Apps, and I've already downloaded and copied over here. So first I'll install the lineage ROM. I'm installing it. It will take some time. So guys, as you can see, the installation is done. So now I'll move back and I'll select the Google Apps. So I'll install the Google Apps now. It will also take some time. So guys, as you can see, the installation of Google Apps is done. It installed quite a lot of Google Apps. As you can see the list. And now I'm ready to boot my system. So I'll say reboot system, and it's now going to reboot my system. So now this is the normal lineage ROM default boot up animation that you are seeing on your screen. So that means the ROM actually is successfully installed. So guys, as you can see, now my device is booted into this lineage ROM. So I just need to configure the device by tapping some buttons next time. Once I set up the device, I'm ready to go. So this is it guys, this is how you can install any custom ROM in your device. So guys, this is how the device looks like once it's all set up. This is the launcher, which is a pixel launcher. It is actually quite stock flavor that I'm running right now. So that's it. So guys, once I have installed a custom ROM in my Redmi Note device, what if I didn't like the ROM and I want to go back to my stock MIUI ROM? How can I do that? So for that, I need to follow certain steps. So let's see them one by one. First, you need to visit this URL. I have already mentioned the link in the description below. And once you'll go over there, you'll find an option to download a MIUI ROM flashing tool. You download that tool, and then from the list of the ROMs mentioned below, you browse to your correct ROM that you want to download. So for in our case, for us it is Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 Qualcomm global stable version. So this is what we'll download. So once we have this ROM downloaded in our system, we need to connect our device again to our PC in the fastboot mode, and once that is done, we can start ahead with the next steps. So guys, this is the tool that I have downloaded and installed on my PC. I have connected my mobile in the fast boot mode to my PC, and the ROM that I have downloaded, I have extracted that ROM into a folder, downloads, and the folder name. So let me show you quickly. PC colon, and I'll go to the download, and this is a folder in which I have extracted the ROM. So I'll refresh, it will show my device which is connected. I'll simply say clean all and will say flash. So once I'll flash it, it will revert my device back to the stock ROM. That means my recovery will be replaced with the stock recovery, and the ROM will be replaced with the stock ROM.